What if you could predict the outcome of a football match or even the next 1 minute Bitcoin price movement all from one platform? It's what cross prediction is all about. Whether you're into football, crypto, or just curious about prediction market, this platform makes it easy to get started. In this video, I'll explain how it works, the currencies you'll use, how to join both football and BTC prediction markets, and a few tips that can help you understand the platform better. Let's get started. Cross Prediction is a prediction market platform built by Cross DeFi. Instead of buying or trading assets, you're simply predicting the outcome of real-world events or market movements. If your prediction is correct, you become eligible for the rewards distributed in that market. The platform currently features two main types of markets that many users enjoy: the football prediction and BTC 1 minute up and down. Each one offers a different experience, but they both follow the same basic idea. Make your prediction before the countdown ends, then wait for the results. The interface is also very beginner friendly, so even if this is your first time using a prediction market, it's easy to follow. Before jumping into the market, let's quickly go over the currencies you'll see on the platform because each one has a different purpose. There are three main currencies you'll encounter: the Cross, OneUSD, and Bill token. So first, let's talk about the Cross token. Cross is the main token of the Cross ecosystem. It's used across different Cross services and is the token you'll commonly use when funding your wallet or moving assets within the ecosystem. The next is the OneUSD. OneUSD is a stable coin that's designed to stay close to the value of $1. So it's like the USDT or USDC from different platforms. Because its price is relatively stable, it's much easier to understand the value of your predictions without worrying about constant market fluctuations. This helps make prediction markets more straightforward, especially for beginners. Then last is the Bill token. Bill is the platform's utility token and plays an important role within cross prediction. Depending on the market and platform mechanics, you'll use or receive Bill while participating. The exact way these tokens interacts happens automatically behind the scenes. So as a user, you mainly need to understand what each one is for. To make it simple, Cross powers the ecosystem. OneUSD is the stable value used in prediction markets. Bill token is the dedicated token for cross prediction and supports participation and rewards within cross prediction. Once you understand these three tokens, navigating the platform becomes much easier. Now let's look at the feature that's getting the most attention, the football prediction market. Football prediction markets revolve around real matches happening around the world, like the FIFA World Cup that's currently happening. When you open a match, you'll see the available prediction options. Depending on the event, you may be predicting which team wins, whether the match ends in a draw, or other available outcomes. After choosing your prediction, simply enter the amount you'd like to participate with and confirm it before the prediction window closes. Once the match begins, all that's left to do is watch the game and wait for the official result. After the event is settled, rewards are distributed according to the market rules. One of the best things about football markets is that they make watching matches even more engaging. Instead of just following the score, you're actively involved from kickoff until the final whistle. If you're already a football fan, you'll probably find these markets easy to understand because they're based on events you're already familiar with. If waiting for a full match isn't your style, there's another market that's much faster. The BTC 1 minute up and down market is exactly what it sounds like. Every round lasts only 1 minute. Before the countdown reaches 0, you'll predict whether Bitcoin's price will finish higher or lower than its starting price for that round. Once the timer starts, there's nothing else you need to do except watch the live price movement. When the minute ends, the market settles almost immediately, and if your prediction is correct, you'll receive rewards based on that round. Since each round is so short, you can participate in multiple rounds without waiting very long. That's also why this market works well for live streams and reaction videos. You get quick results and constant action. Just remember that short rounds don't make prediction easier. Bitcoin can move quickly, so every decision still carries risk. Before you start making predictions, here are a few simple tips worth remembering. Here are some beginner tips. Start small while you're learning how each market works. Spend some time exploring the interface before increasing the amount you use. Understanding the platform is more valuable than rushing into bigger predictions. For football markets, take advantage of information that's already available. Recent team performance, injuries, or match statistics can all help you make a more informed decision. For BTC markets, remember that 1-minute price movements are very unpredictable. Don't expect to win every round, and avoid making emotional decisions after a loss. Most importantly, always manage your budget. Decide how much you're willing to use before you begin, and stick to that limit regardless of the outcome. And that's the basic of cross prediction. Now you know how the platform works, what each token is used for, and how both the football and BTC prediction market operates. If you're interested in trying it yourself, check out cross prediction and experience it firsthand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.